Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick haul. I was watching Poochie over the weekend do a project, and she had just done a haul, and the haul was from Michael's, and she got all these wonderful beads. I think it was from Michael's. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if it was Michael's or somewhere else. Joann's or Javi Lavi's. Anyway, I did my haul at Michael's, and so I'm here to show you what I got, and I feel I got a very good deal. So all of these beads were 70% off, and I believe the total I spent was $31.84. So 32 bucks for all these beads. So let's get into it. So some I got doubles because I just had to, because they were so cute. Some are similar, so I don't, look at this gorgeousness. Beautiful. And look at this gorgeousness. And then this is a double, so you just already saw that. And then I got two of these. And look at this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then, what else? I got two of these. Two strands of these, which I think the red tags was only $1.20 a strand. I got this one here, and I want to say these strands, they're regular like $7.99 and more, and they were only like $2.40 a strand. And then what else? I got these strands here. Look at the pretty flowers on them. So those there. Here we go. So just these here, brassy brown tone. Beautiful. They're faceted. I got these, one with a pearl tone, and it's a little bigger size bead. And then the other one is more like just a shiny tone, no pearl. This one has the pearl to it, and I don't know if the camera or the light does it justice. And then the last two strands I got was this peachy one here, this peachy strand here, and then this sparkly shiny strand. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whoops, 12, 13, 14, 15 strands for just under $32. So just about $2 a strand. Yeah, so get there. They probably, your Michael's is probably still having the sale. I hope you guys can find some yumminess. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope you like this video. Consider sharing it. Find more videos like this here. And until my next video, shakas!